Classic apple cake usually packs over 250 calories per slice, but ours has just 99 calories. Plus, it's flourless, sugarless, and absolutely worth trying. Thinly slice 2 apples. You can use a sharp knife or a mandolin. Drizzle with fresh lemon juice and gently mix. Whisk eggs with a pinch of salt. Your favorite sweetener. I use liquid stevia, but honey or sugar work great too. Vanilla extract. Baking powder for fluffiness. And a spoonful of peanut butter. It's the magic ingredient that creates an amazing texture and adds that delicious nutty aroma. Blend everything together until smooth. You can whisk by hand, but using a blender makes it quicker and easier. Combine apples with your creamy batter, making sure each slice is well coated. Generously butter your baking dish. Layer the apples evenly. And bake at 356 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 minutes until golden brown and aromatic. Your home will smell incredible, especially with a sprinkle of cinnamon on top. Enjoy warm or chilled, maybe even with a dollop of yogurt or low-fat ice cream. Find all recipe details in the description below. What's your favorite apple treat? Let me know in the comments. Your healthy sweet tooth friend, Karina.